Life. It is everywhere on our planet. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, life thrives in countless forms. But have you ever wondered how it all began? How did the first living things appear on Earth billions of years ago? It is a question that has fascinated scientists and storytellers for ages. We journey back in time to when our planet was young and very different. It was a world of intense heat, volcanic eruptions, and an atmosphere we wouldn't recognize. Yet in this chaotic environment, the seeds of life were sown. The journey from a lifeless planet to one teeming with life is a tale of extraordinary chance, fascinating chemistry, and the relentless power of evolution. Imagine Earth as a fiery ball of molten rock, constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. This was our planet over 4 billion years ago. The air was thick with gases like methane, ammonia, and carbon dioxide, but no oxygen as we know it. Volcanoes erupted, spewing lava and gases into the atmosphere. The oceans were hot and acidic. It was a hostile and alien world, yet these seemingly harsh conditions were essential for the birth of life. The energy from the sun, lightning, and geothermal vents provided the spark. These sources of energy interacted with the simple inorganic molecules in the atmosphere and oceans, setting the stage for something extraordinary to happen. In the warm, shallow waters of early Earth, a remarkable transformation was taking place. Simple organic molecules like amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, began to form. These molecules came together in the primordial soup, creating more complex structures. Some scientists believe that this process occurred in volcanic hot springs or deep-sea hydrothermal vents where heat and chemicals provide the necessary energy. Over millions of years, these molecules continued to interact and assemble. Imagine them like Lego blocks clicking together, forming larger and more intricate structures. Eventually, these structures became enclosed within membranes, creating the first cells. These single-celled organisms were incredibly simple, but they had the remarkable ability to replicate and pass on their genetic information. The first life forms were single-celled organisms similar to bacteria. They thrived in the harsh conditions of early Earth, obtaining energy from chemicals in their surroundings. Over time, some of these organisms evolved the ability to capture sunlight and use it to create energy, a process we know as photosynthesis. This was a pivotal moment in the history of life as it released oxygen into the atmosphere. With the rise of oxygen, new life forms emerged that could utilize this gas for respiration. This led to the development of more complex cells called eukaryotes, which eventually gave rise to all plants and animals we see today. From the simplest single-celled organisms, life had taken its first steps towards the incredible diversity we see today.